Hey, what's up everyone, it's Duncan from Overland Journals. After watching one of my videos, a subscriber of mine wrote to me and asked me what kind of plastic boxes I have in my drawer system. Well, instead of replying to his question, I thought I'd do a quick video for the benefit of everybody else. And then links to those boxes where you can buy them in Australia and so on, I'll leave it in the description below. So in my 80 series, I've got the Titan drawer system, which goes on to a 80 series. So these boxes are more specific to the space available to 80 series drawer system from Titan. Okay, so what I've done is, here's my drawer, and I like to keep very organized. So for me, it's easy to access things when I want to. Yeah, again, my OCD coming into play. But what I've done is I've got these plastic boxes, as you can see, and they pretty much take up all the space available. And that's pretty cool, because I'm not wasting any space, and whatever gaps in between, I've got them utilized as well. So in these drawers, I've got a 13-liter box, and also I've got two 15-liter boxes. Ideally, you can put 3 of these 15-liter boxes into one of these drawers. However, in my case, I've gone for 2 15 liters and 1 13-liter. And the reason for that is because in the front here, I've got a cutting board and a grill which goes onto the top of my stove, and that takes up a bit of space from the bottom. So obviously I cannot put the 15-liter in there. So for that reason, I've gone for the 2 15-liter boxes and the 1 13-liter box. And that sits pretty flush, as you can see. It's very flush. It takes up pretty much most of the space that's available from the drawer, so I'm not wasting anything. And the little gap in here works perfectly for me, because then I put in other stuff like my firelighters, refuse bags, a little bit of toilet paper, wet wipes, and whatever else I need. So yeah, there you go. So I hope I answered your question, and it benefits everybody else as well. They're pretty cool. Check the links out below of the descriptions where you can buy them, the brand names and so on. So I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. I bring out a video every single week sharing my experiences in overlanding in Australia. Thanks for watching.